Today we're going to be installing the Diode Dynamics marker lights. So they're the LED lights that go right here on the front and the back. I already did the rears. Rears are pretty easy. You just put a plastic pry tool and it pries back. There's instructions in the box, so basically these just pry out. There's a little tab. You unplug the old light, plug the new one in, snap it back in. The rear is pretty straightforward. The front, pretty straightforward as well. So there's 3 7mm bolts right here. There's another one on the bottom. It doesn't say in the instructions to take it out, but it helps just so you can move this. And then on the back side of the light, there's these 2 10mm washers that have like threads on them. So they basically thread into the plastic on the light. So you want to take that off with a 10mm socket. A deep well like this would work. And then you're going to take the new light and you're going to take the plastic piece off here. It's going to twist to one direction, twist to the right, and then you're going to take out this bulb, and then you're going to slide in that into there, and then it's going to go back into the car with the studs going in, and then they're blacked out, and then when you turn the car on or have the marker lights on, it'll just be a nice LED. Alright, so you got this plugged in here. Going to feed that back inside, push those in, fits in there really nicely. I'm going to reach in and put the nuts back on. The kind of dome side goes towards the inside of the car, so it's kind of hard to see. You got to sneak it back in underneath here. You can't really see, but there's a stud right there. So you're going to screw those both on. You don't want to over tighten them because it's just plastic, and then we'll just plug it back in and the light should turn on. What you're going to want to do after you get it all bolted in here, you can see the one bolt and the other one. So you're going to plug this into the harness, make sure it's all good, and then push it in here, get it lined up, and then counterclockwise to lock it back in. So that'll keep the water out and keep it all good to go. And then let's see what they look like. They're a nice LED, whereas passenger side is still a factory one that's kind of just smoked out with like some VHT paint. So it's definitely an upgrade. And then when they're off, they're just black. So it's pretty nice. If you look at the rear, same deal. They look pretty good. Alright, well I'm going to work on the other side now. So thanks for watching. I'm going to have a link in the description as well where you can buy this pack from. I believe they're like right around $100 for the front and rear set. They come in this nice package. So here's the other one I got to do. My flashlight's on so you can see how it's still reflective, so it's still going to be legal. It's still going to be okay if your car's parked on the street. That way people can see it. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.